If you see any, shout me.
Yeah, I will.
I can breathe. The weather turned really bad. Welcome to my channel, guys. This is my part 2 of my filming. And here's the bus to Ashton. 409. That's the only bus what goes to Ashton around here. Jesus Christ. Just one bus.
Right.
Yeah. That was 409 to Ashton.
Right, come on mate, then go home. I don't know what to drink for that.
Should I do my outro like before? Go.
No.
I forgot the lines.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Right, subscribe and thumbs up. I don't think you can do anything like that because all you tell me is pushing.
Oh.
I don't think you should upload that anything on this.
Oh, there we go. Found it. Are you okay?
You need to get some stuff in it. What is that set?
Oh my God.
What is it there?
Chicken one.
Oh, I hate them. Like what? Well, it's a garlic thing in it.
Are you okay? My goodness.
To cook the cream. So we go home. Film properly tomorrow.
Okay, I'm gonna do my outro. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe if you liked it. And now we need to get home as fast as possible, guys. So, thanks for watching. Bye.